Hey everyone, this is a video on how to play the Avengers theme on marimba. If you like these videos, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to break this down into two parts. First, I'm going to start with the melody in the number 4 mallet. It goes like this. Once again, 2, ready, go. Next, I'm going to show you the chords in mallets 1, 2, and 3. Starts with a G minor, moves to E flat major, then C major, back to E flat major, F major, G minor. Once again, ready, go. Alright, now I'm going to change this just a little bit. When I play my C major chord down here, instead of playing my G here, I'm going to voice it up to here. And that's just going to make the interval easier in the right hand when I have to play this D melody with it. Otherwise, I'm doing something like this. I'm playing a 12th. It's possible, but you have to have crazy big hands to pull it off, and it's pretty uncomfortable. So here's both hands together, slower. 2, ready, go. Alright, and now the second part, again starting with the right hand melody, starts with a G, D, and then up to E. Ready, go. So same as this first part, except instead of doing a G minor scale down, you just go up to the E. Once again, ready, go. Okay, and then the chords in the mallets 1, 2, and 3. G minor, E flat major, C major. And that's it. Again, I'm going to revoice it, so I bring the G up here. So that would look like this. Alright, and then hands together. 1, 2, ready, go. And that's it. If you like these videos, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos on scales, solos, inventions, you name it, we've got it. Any other questions, please leave them on YouTube.